Hi everyone, welcome to the class of OOPS concept. OOPS concept means it is nothing but called as object orientation. First of all, you have to understand what is meant by object orientation. I will take the help of Microsoft Paint for explaining you. Say for suppose this is the world. Okay, suppose this is your world. I will just write the then imagine there's a different people exist into this world, right? Imagine the people, first people is the enthusiastic person. The first people, just write enthusiastic. The second people is rich people. Third people, poor people. And fourth people, politician. Everyone has their own different view to see this world. Enthusiastic people will always see that world as an opportunity. Rich people always see that world as a joyful. Poor people always they see the world as hopeless kind of things. And where you have politician, they will see the world they can fool anyone easily. Okay. Now the same way as a programmer, as a OOPS programmer, right? You always have to see the world as collection of as objects. What is meant by objects? First of all, see this. What is meant by objects? Imagine you are studying in a class. Right? Now, if you are studying in a class, there will be the student's name as a Ram, Rohan, Rakesh, Rahul, like this. A teacher will call the name Ram. What is the Ram? Ram is an object. Because Ram exists, Ram have the physical existence. Anyone can call the Ram. Ram can eat, sleep, run, walk, all the things he can do. A physical existence. A physical existence is called as object. A physical existence is called as object. If teacher will say the word called as boy, is anyone have the name called as boy here? No one. No one have here the name called as boy, right? No one has the name called as boy. Then what is the boy? Boy is a category. Boy is nothing but it is a category. If you will, teacher will say boy. There is no one name in the class called as boy. Does boy is taking the real time existence? Does the boy is taking is a physical existence? No. Can you see boy? No. Can you touch? No. Nothing you can do. If you can do nothing, then the boy is treated as a category. What is boy? The boy is treated as a category. In Python, object is what will take the memory. Category, it is treated as a, or category you can say class. Class is just a blueprint. Just a blueprint. We need to create the object of the class for accessing the method and variables. Present into it. Now the biggest question is how to define the class. A class is declared using the keyword called as class, associated with class name. For an example, class name colon. If you have variables, you can give the variables. If you have methods, you can give the method. This is about the class and the object. And as I have already told you, as a good object oriented programmer, you always has to look the world as a collection of objects. Look the world as a how? As a collection of objects. Once you see the collection of objects, then it will be class of. And the class is what? It's a category. It's not a real-time existence. It's just a blueprint. The class is a category. Hope you are understanding this. Thanks everyone. Thanks for attending the first lecture of class and object.